Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by registering on Bybit. You can find the registration button or link by simply searching for Bybit on Google and signing up. Step 2. Once registered, navigate to the Rewards Hub on Bybit. You can usually find this option within your account or profile settings. Look for the section to claim your 20 USDT coupon. It might be prominently displayed or found under the Claim Rewards section. Step 3. A key advantage of this coupon is that you don't need to undergo identity verification or make a deposit to claim it. This makes the process much easier and quicker. Step 4. You can claim your coupon directly from the Rewards Hub or by clicking the Claim Now button, which might be available in the promotional materials or on the platform's interface. If you click on Claim Now, a pop-up should appear with further instructions on how to redeem the coupon. Once claimed, the coupon will appear in your My Rewards section or a similarly named area. To use the coupon, simply click on the Use button next to the coupon details. This will apply the coupon to your account, and you can start trading with it. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.